I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we'll find exact value of sine inverse. So we have two related examples. The first one is sine inverse half. The other one is sine inverse minus square root 3 over 2. Now let's do the first one, sine inverse half. So let me write sine inverse half as equal to y. So in that case, we can write half is equals to sine y, and where y is between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, right? The inverse function is defined only in this interval. So the value of y which satisfies the given equation is pi by 6, right? So we know that y is equals to pi by 6. Now we can write sine inverse half. Sine inverse half is pi by 6 as equal to, we can write sine inverse half as equals to sine pi by 6, which is equal to pi by 6, which is equal to half, right? So what you get here is that sine inverse x is indeed equal to x, right? So that is always true. Sine inverse x will be equal to x. You can try the next one yourself. So what we can do here is, let's find what is sine inverse minus square root 3 over 2. So you can make a special triangle here to figure out the angles, right? So in this triangle, as you know, the sides are 1, 2, square root 3. We are looking for square root 3 over 2. That means this angle, which is pi by 3. So we can write from here that sine inverse of minus pi by 3 will be the angle which is minus pi by 3, right? So we can get here sine of minus pi by 3. Since this is negative, we are looking for clockwise movement of the angle, right? From radian. Now, sine minus pi by 3 is minus sine pi by 3, which is equals to minus square root 3 over 2, correct? So here also we see that sine inverse x is same as x, right? So always what we will get is that sine inverse x will be equal to x, right? So that is how it is. However, you saw in a video that sine inverse of sine x may not be equal to x if x is not in the domain of it was in the other case. So if x is not in the domain of minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, right? So here you will see that sine value is restricted to the values between plus and minus 1. So in this case, we know that x is between minus 1 to plus 1, and that is the range for the sine function as such. So sine inverse x will be within minus 1 to plus 1, and you'll always get sine inverse x as equal to x, as we saw here in this video. I hope that helps. Thank you, and all the best.